हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग देख रहे हैं एसएनएस वर्ल्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। आप लोग कैसे हैं? कुशल मंगल अच्छा जो भी है कमेंट बॉक्स पर लिख दीजिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आई एम सत्यनारायण साहा। टुडे आई डिस्कस अबाउट योर सेकंड चैप्टर ऑफ एसएसटी, सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री। सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री। हिस्ट्री का सोर्स क्या है, कहां पर कैसे हम हिस्ट्री के बारे में जानेंगे, उसको आज पढ़ेंगे। इन प्रीवियस चैप्टर यू हैव लर्न दैट व्हाट इज हिस्ट्री, हिस्ट्री क्या है, व्हाई डू वी स्टडी हिस्ट्री, क्यों हिस्ट्री पढ़ना चाहिए, हिस्ट्री का पीरियड कितना है, एंशिएंट, मेडिएवल, मॉडर्न, उसका बारे में जान चुके हो। नाउ कम टू द टॉपिक सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री। सोर्स three types: literary, archaeological, and oral. Literary, what is written? Literary, it may be written books, manuscripts, and archaeological, which are monuments, artifacts, those are archaeological, and oral, which told by others, our elders tell something about that, is how the people living like that. In literary source, now you know that Ramayana, Mahabharata you have seen. अभी तुम लोग सीरियल में देखते होगे रामायण महाभारत। उस टाइम आदमी लोग कैसे रह रहे थे, कैसे शिक्षा प्राप्त करते थे, उसका बारे में वहां से ज्ञान मिल गया होगा। और म्यूजियम को विजिट किया हो तो उस टाइम कैसे आदमी लोग वेपन यूज करते थे, क्या करते थे। नियर खिचिंग, इन खिचिंग वन म्यूजियम, you may visit there. And oral, those things what given in your books. Fossils, it is given this picture. And Akbarnama written by Abul Fazl, this book's front page. And archaeological source, these are archaeological source. These things, pictures, symbols, script, stone tools, objects found by archaeologists, these things. And inscriptions means where written on the rocks is called inscriptions. Monuments tells us about the period in which they were built. Qutub Minar, they tells us about lifestyle, social life, religious beliefs, culture, and also the advancement in science during the period. Monuments are thus a link between the past and the present. Qutub Minar, Ellora Caves, Red Fort, those things. In coins you have seen that different pictures, Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, about their lifetime. We know the things from coin. And these pictures found, dancing girl, they are found by archaeologists. And there were many people in the past who did not write their history in books. They told stories, poems, songs to their generation in the form of history. They are called oral source of history. These source pass on from one generation to another. And preservation of source, we know by now that we get to know about our history only by source. अगर हम observe करेंगे, if we travel, then we gather so much information. And history help us about critical thinking. You know CID in TV serial, how they get clue and catch the criminals. You know about mistakes and how you rectify it. गलती अगर जान गए हो तो फिर इसे गलती नहीं करना चाहिए। वही सब हम हिस्ट्री से सीखेंगे, जानेंगे। आज तुम लोग क्या सीखे, क्या जाने, वो सब at first you write 5 or 10 sentence, then you go through the books. Like, share, comment this video. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.